Revolut family accounts are a great way to manage your family's finances in a single place. To get started, you need to create a Revolut account and then invite your family members to join. Each family member will have their own account, but you can view and manage their accounts from your main account. First, you need to understand the different roles available in Revolut family accounts. The owner is the person who creates the family account and has full control over the account. The parent or guardian has permission to view and manage the child's account, but the child can still make transactions. The child has their own account, but the parent or guardian can monitor their spending. To add a child to your family account, go to the Revolut app, tap on the More tab, and select Family. Then, tap on Add Child and enter the child's details. You can set a daily spending limit for the child and receive notifications when they make a transaction. One of the key benefits of Revolut family accounts is the ability to set budgets and track spending. You can set a budget for each family member and receive notifications when they go over their budget. This helps you to stay on top of your family's finances and teaches your children the importance of budgeting. Another benefit is the ability to send and receive money instantly. You can send money to your child's account instantly, and they can also send money back to you. This is useful for paying pocket money or reimbursing your child for expenses. To keep your family's finances secure, make sure to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. You should also monitor your family's accounts regularly and report any suspicious activity to Revolut. In summary, Revolut family accounts are a great way to manage your family's finances and teach your children about money management. By following these tips, you can use Revolut family accounts to their full potential and keep your family's finances secure and organized.